There was a river in a small village. There was a river in a small village. There was a narrow bridge. There was a narrow bridge. It is a temple. It is a temple. There was a narrow bridge on the river. They came two goats, one and two. They came two goats. They were on a narrow bridge. They were on a narrow bridge. There was no space to cross the bridge. There was no space to cross the bridge. They had an idea. They had an idea. One goat sat down. One goat sat down. The other walked over it. The other walked over it. Thus, they crossed the narrow bridge. They crossed the narrow bridge. They were wise goat. They were wise goat.